Welcome viewers here to Macroom annual ploughing match. A little bit behind schedule this year, but it was completely outside our control due to the inclement weather that we experienced on our planned day, New Year's Day. But we're delighted that we have rescheduled on today, Sunday, the 26th of February, the last Sunday on February, and boy was it well worth waiting for. Today we have a massive turnout of competitors. We have up to 60 competitors competing here today, which is the last match, competitive ploughing match, as we face into the county ploughing match, which is taking place next Sunday, sponsored by the Drina Ploughing Association, and will be held down by Manchbridge. Today, a lot of records being made here today, that we have close on 60, up to 60 competitors, as I've already stated. This would be a large turnout compared, would be well up on figures from previous years, and also we have a number of competitors, up to about 10 competitors competing here today for the first time, both in the beginners class, the ladies class, and the reversible. Big interest in the local reversible, with up to 7 competitors drawn from Dunamore, Rylan, the locals, and I suppose we're greatly indebted to the Creedon family, and they have created a unique record here today, where the 3 lads, the 3 sons of Timmy Creedon, are competing here in various classes, and their sister or their daughter Stephanie, or the lad's sister Stephanie, is completing in the beginners class. So there will be a lot of jockeying for positions here tonight, when our judges from Waterford, whom we are greatly indebted to, will come to adjudicate the marks as we head back to Coolcower in a few hours' time.
Oh, balmy the breezes that blow in the spring, and sweet is the music the song thrushes sing. But I sigh for the scene that I seldom see now, a man in the fields with his horses and a plough. Farewell to the days of my youth long ago, when I harnessed my team near the barn down below. Then away to the highland beside Carragao, to turn the hard green sod with horses and a plough. Invoking a blessing, I started the day. Balayer nobber, that's what I would say, asking for guidance to keep my know-how, and strike a straight furrow with horses and a plough. Then up at the headland, every once in a while, I rested my horses, all steaming with toil. With the sleeve of my shirt swept the sweat from my brow, as I gazed on the work of my horses and the plough. And in the evening, as the sun it sank low, with my Harley and ball to the sports field I would go, for to win the All-Ireland we would all make a vow, and to seek recreation from horses and a plough. But soon I'll be called from this valley of woe to the fair fields of heaven. I hope I will go. One request from St. Peter I hope he'll allow: eternal employment with horses and a plough. Eternal employment with horses and a plough.
I'll take my pen tonight, my friends, and write a verse or two about a well-known ploughman who has just passed from our view. No words of mine could well define or tell the true story of the exploits of this ploughman, the man from Balnagree. Farewell to Jerry Horgan, the greatest of them all. He ploughed in all those matches from Cork to Donegal. In the county or all Ireland, it's there he'd really shine. No one there could beat him, he'd leave them all behind. How pleasant sure to watch him, how he would guide the plough, the big wheel in the furrow, well against the brow. The opening always splendid, straight as straight could be. The sods were so well moulded, a pleasant sight to see. How he'd coax the horses, they nearly always knew, according as he told them what he wanted them to do. To the split and to the finish, always calm and cool, he'd bring it all so even, and seldom use a rule. Farewell to Jerry Horgan, the greatest of them all. He ploughed in all those matches from Cork to Donegal. In the county or all Ireland, it's there he'd really shine. No one there could beat him, he'd leave them all behind. Despite his great achievements, sure he was a humble man. In the limelight or the forefront was surely not his plan. He lived a simple lifestyle at home in Balnagree, just beside the village beyond the River Lee. No more we'll see our Jerry plough his native land, in summer sun or winter's rain, with horse and plough so grand. No more we'll hear the Corkman cheer, but his trophies held on high. For now he is with God above, in that land beyond the sky. Farewell to Jerry Horgan, the greatest of them all. He ploughed in all those matches from Cork to Donegal. In the county or all Ireland, it's there he'd really shine. No one there could beat him, he'd leave them all behind. No one there could beat him, he'd leave them all behind.